Every game is more enjoyable with friends. That's why in today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to connect the Monopoly Go app to your Facebook profile. Let's get started. Open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the three lines in the upper right corner. At the bottom of the window, you will see a Connect button. Click on it. A window will pop up informing you that Monopoly Go is requesting access to your profile and friends to connect you for gameplay. Confirm your consent by clicking Confirm. I have previously linked my Facebook account with the Monopoly Go game, which is why I'm seeing this screen that you see now. When you link your account for the first time, you will see this screen on your device. Here, enter the necessary information to connect Monopoly Go with Facebook. In the first field, enter your phone number or email address. In the field below, enter your Facebook password. After that, click the Login button. Press the Continue As button. Soon, Monopoly Go will change your profile picture to your Facebook profile picture. And you've successfully connected Monopoly Go with Facebook. We are glad you are following us in growing numbers. Like this video, comment on it and subscribe to the channel for the latest digital news.